Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Culinary Passion Palette Stories. I'm here with you today to share with you a recipe for oodles of noodles. Yes, you got it right. And of course, this is going to be vegetarian noodles. This is, like you see in the pictures, veggie chili garlic noodles, and all you vegetarians can be excited because this is some Indie Desi noodles. Now let's get started. As you see in the pictures, this is noodles that have already boiled and they are cooked al dente with a little bit of salt and oil. Now that they are cooked, this is going to be strained, and once they are strained, I'm going to run them under cold water and apply a little bit of oil. Now these are the ingredients. This is half a cabbage finely chopped. These are the cooked noodles. Then that's 1 capsicum finely chopped, 1 carrot finely chopped, 7 to 8 green chilies, yes, because I love it spicy. And there are 7 to 8 garlic, which is finely chopped, 1 onion finely chopped. Then that's the masalas, chowmein hakka noodle masala, some sauce, red chili sauce, dark soya sauce, and some fresh tomato ketchup. Apart from that, a little bit of salt as per taste, a little chili powder, yes, because I love it spicy, and some vinegar. So that's all our ingredients for the veggie chili garlic noodles. So without much ado, let's get started. I've taken a kadai and this is already preheated. I'm going to add in some oil. Here I'm taking 2 tablespoons of oil. Yes, because I don't want the noodles to be stuck to each other. And of course, this is our very own desi tadka wala noodles. The oil is heated. It's nice. Now is the time to add in the ingredients. First, I'm going to put in the finely chopped garlic. And then next is in the chilies. Yes, but before that, I'm just going to stir it up a little bit. Yes, that's the chilies, which are finely slit. Stir it up a little bit. Now these are finely cut onions that have gone in. See, you don't want to cook it too much. Let the onions just fry just enough so that the raw taste is gone, but they're still crunchy. Now, fry. Now it's finely done. Now we'll add in the carrots. These are finely julienned carrots. Stir it up a little bit. Remember, we are not going to overcook it. Now, the next ingredient to go would be the capsicum. There goes the capsicum. It looks so yummy and colorful. I love the color combo. Stir it up. Let it fry. It's nicely fried up. Now it's nicely fried. Now is the time to add in the cabbage. So this is half a cabbage. I've taken little, the quantity is a little more than the other vegetables because cabbage adds a little more flavor to the noodles, and of course cabbage is the star ingredient in most of the Chinese dishes. So let it cook for a while. Remember foodies, you need to cook this only until it flattens up a little bit. We are not going to overcook it, so I'll just stir it up a little bit. Yes, and one more stir. Once it's stirred nicely, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cover it up for about 2 to 3 minutes so that the cabbage just flattens up. Now it's all puffed up because it's raw, but remember, we don't need to overcook it. We don't want it to be soft and soggy. So now I'm going to just cover it up for about 2 minutes. because remember, like I said, I don't want to overcook it now. It's almost done. See, now you see it's just flattened up a little bit and it's not overcooked also. Now is the time to add in all our sauces for that yummy, tasty chili garlic noodles. So first goes in the Schezwan sauce. So here you can add in about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons. Next is the red chili sauce. This is about 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, but foodies, if you don't want it to be too spicy, then you can reduce the quantity. Now is the soy sauce. This is dark soya sauce that I'm using. Chings dark soya sauce to be precise. And now is the tomato sauce. This is going to, really accentuate the taste of the noodles. Now just stir it up. Mix it so that all the sauces blend into the veggies nicely. Yum! It's already smelling so good. Yes, it's nicely blended in. You can see the veggies are not too very cooked. This is the best time to add in the the Chings chowmein veggie hakka noodle masala. So that's gone in. So foodies, remember, till now I haven't added the salt because the sauces and the noodle masala already has a little salt in it. And the veggies are also cooked by now. Let me just taste it if you really need some salt. I don't really think so. Yeah, I think I would really add a little bit of salt, just a wee bit of salt to, enhance the taste. Because the noodles would come in and then the salt of the sauces and the masala would reduce. So I've just added a little bit of salt as per my taste. And I'm going to add in a little bit, just a wee bit of chili powder, because I'm making desi Chinese. Authentic Chinese is definitely not spicy at all, but this is apna desi tadka wala Chinese, so it has to be as per our taste, isn't it? Okay, so this is nicely mixed and it's done. Now is the time to add in our noodles. Slowly add in the noodles. So you see, the noodles are nicely cooked. They are not too, they are not cooked completely. They are just cooked al dente. And once they were cooked, I've run the noodles under, cold water and also applied a little oil and mixed it thoroughly. So that's why you see it's nice and, it's separated. Now we stirred up the noodles nicely. This is the time to add in some vinegar to really enhance the taste. This is about 2 tablespoons of vinegar, though I haven't really measured it, but yes, it's 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Stir it up nicely so that it's mixed with all the noodles and the taste blends in with our noodles and the veggies. It's nicely mixed up. Yummy, and the noodles are almost done. Just give it a thorough mix. Yum, it's smelling so good. Wow, see? You can see it's almost done and it's yummy and it's ready to be served. There you go, it's all done. There you see, the noodles are all done And it was so easy, isn't it, foodies? I hope you enjoyed the recipe as much as I loved cooking it for all you guys. But it's not all done. Do try out the recipe and let me know your comments in the comment section. And of course, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, Culinary Passion Palette Stories. Bye.